In here, I'm modeling the player's face and how it looks like, how its eyes are modeled, and how smooth it is. And now I'm making the plane. Then, of course, the player should be colored. So the eyes are colored now. Now I'm making the tongue, and maybe reddish. And now I'm designing the shooter. This is where the bullets will come from. And of course, in every game, you need lights. So in here, I'm designing lights and setting their brightness. I think that looks fun. Then, of course, we need an enemy, which is a zombie. I'll model a zombie first and color it green and look like that. And now, designing an empty to add bullets for the player to shoot. And now a first person camera, setting its properties and logic bits, and making the random cube terrain. Of course, it's a maze. Now that I've designed that, I'm now making the zombies follow the player. Now, we need to create a win scene, and a pause scene, and a game over scene, and a mission and a count text. And let me save this first. Let's name it Scared Cube. And of course, the credits, the music and the sounds that I'll use later, and the instructions. And when you finish the game, it'll show this. And the power-up, of course. Here, I'm animating the power-up. Then, I'm now adding the sounds for the game over, and when we shoot, and when we hit a zombie, and testing it, of course. Now it's giving us power-ups, and of course you need to test a lot. I think the zombie drop rate of the power-ups too high, so I'm testing it. And the game over doesn't look like much. So, we want our game over to overlay. That's what I'm doing here. It's still not yet working. Still connecting and testing. Yes, that's the game over that we want. And adding the sound, the game over. And I think that sounds perfectly fine. And adding some wind sound. I think this sounds pretty good. And next. And I think I like that one. Mostly just experimenting with the sounds. Sounds for those, for instructions, that works, and changing the sound, instructions, and testing. Then when you press that, it'll go back. We don't want to get stuck on the instructions. Then, let's use that. And now, let's test it. Hey everyone, this is Andy. In this video, we're going to test this game, which is scary. Okay, I'm gonna get out the rapid fire, which is those power-ups, white orbs. I'm gonna go after the zombies. Let's see if I can beat my record. Okay. Don't stand a chance between you two. That's fine. I won. I've survived 1 minute. First person, man. Then, go to level 2 then. Okay, this is level 2. I'm gonna survive 2 minutes and 2 zombie spawners. Coming at you. Each minute, 4 zombie and zombie spawners. Depends on what level it is. I'm gonna visit the other one. Build up between the apocalypse. I think if I hide here, it will be much better. Okay, I'm gonna go in the first person. Okay, this is the first person. It's really scary. Just in test if there's a zombie. Okay, I think you need to move, or you're just gonna fall, like what I did. We survived in level 2 because he hid somewhere. So what? If you stay there. Bye. This is the game that I finished. Scared Cube. So, I just need a place to hide. And also shoot the other zombies that are firing me. So what? Okay, I'm now in first person. Where are the zombies? That's very weird. I passed! Yes! Level 2! Okay, I start with third person. Now there are 2 zombie spawners, which is actually twice harder than the first level. It is hard. I don't do that. Yes, maybe if I hide here, I'll be safe. Okay. I'm now in third person. I'm stuck here. Let's just hope no zombie goes here. No zombie. No zombie. No zombie. There's still no zombies. Okay. Ah! It's an apocalypse already here. I'm going to die. Yes! I win. Level 3. Okay. I'll go to level 3. Survive 3 minutes. Thrice harder than level 1. There are now 3 zombie spawners. And the zombies are harder. Just give me a power up! Yes. Let's just hope I don't die in level 3 because I'm aiming to pass the whole level. That was too close. Too close. Maybe I can hide here. Or maybe safer if I go here. Don't go to the corner. There's not a corner. I think they're trying the zombies are there, so maybe I should shoot there. This is very scary. Even though I'm the one who made it. Why is it so scary? Okay, there are lots of zombies and lots of power-ups. Close. Too close. I'm now using 2 hands. I didn't pass that.
Hey guys, I'm Cupcake and welcome back. This is Tony's new game and I'm trying this one out. It's called Scare Cube. The rules are simple. You just gotta survive for 1 minute because this is level 1. Level 2 will be harder and shoot zombies while you're surviving. And there are 2 camera modes. First one is this one, third person camera mode, and the first person, which is way harder. No. This game is really fun and it's kind of hard to play while you're talking actually. Oh no, they're there. And I passed. Press N to go to level 2. Let's go to level 2. Level 2 is supposed to be harder. There, I see 1 spawner because there are 2 zombie spawners. I recommend you stay away from them. Okay, this time you should survive for 2 minutes in order to pass to the next level. Come on. Okay, there's one on my back. There's one on my back. Let's go to the next first person. This is so hard, I can't even see where I'm going. Ah, there's a zombie over there. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Okay, this is actually way harder than I thought. Especially this first person. And I'm freaking out. There's too many of them! Ah! No. There's too many of them! No. I'm surrounded! No. Yes, I passed! I passed! 3. Okay. These zombies are so scary. They're here for me. I'm surrounded now. I better get out of here. Okay. Even here, I'm still surrounded. It is kind of scary now. Oh, right. Okay. No. Oh no! This is an apocalypse! I need to get out of here. Oh, I didn't last. So guys, that's the game. And let me know if you passed level 3, which I didn't. And till the next time.